Here's how to make the most of your Peloton Treadmill screen. Now, the first thing that you're going to want to do is once you're on it, you actually want to enter in the passcode and sign into your profile just on the screen. In doing so, we can actually just go down here and you can see it's by default just on the home screen, right? So, but we're going to go to the option called entertainment. When we click on this, you can actually see there's a variety of options such as Netflix, YouTube, Kindle, Hulu. You can use any of these. You just need to sign into them once you click on them. If you would like to, you don't have to, or at least for YouTube, but for the rest of them, you actually have to sign in to use them. But once you've actually clicked on one that you want to use, you can click on agree and continue. And from here, you can actually see there's a search bar in the top right hand corner, and you can actually find any sort of thing that you want to look for on, whatever you're trying to watch. And you can actually connect any Bluetooth devices. This goes the same for all of these different applications. Bluetooth device, heart rate device, or you can actually pick on guidance, and you can actually just start your workout on the screen like so. And as you can see, we've just started our workout and we can easily just crank up the speed like we normally would, as well as the resistance. And you can actually see we're just watching our favorite TV shows or anything. You can even leave this. And if you always want to leave this screen and switch to something else, you can always click on the exit out right here. And you can actually see we can just go back to this page like so. We're still going. And you can actually switch to Netflix or any of these other things that you would like to use while using your Peloton treadmill, of course.